Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Right, we're going to do some fried fish today with a sweet chili sauce. This is absolutely delicious and it's really, really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 tablespoons of plain flour there, 2 eggs, teaspoon of salt, pepper and chili powder. And then here I've got 3 cups of dory fish. This dory fish was frozen, defrosted it, cut it into pieces, patted it dry. Simply, we're going to get that in a bowl, give it a mix all together. Okay, so mixing bowl. There's our fish. Like I say, cut into kind of fairly small pieces. There goes the flour. I'm using wheat flour, but if you wanted, you could use cornstarch or corn flour. Salt, pepper, chili powder, and the 2 eggs straight in like that. I'm going to go in with my hand. Now, if you don't want to put chili powder in, maybe some 5-spice powder or something like that would work really well. Okay, I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Let me just work this through. So you can see I've got a pan there of oil on the go. I'm using a corn oil, but you could use something else, sunflower, canola, up to you. I'm getting that nice and hot. We want nice hot oil. Then we're going to be dropping in the fish. Probably going to do it in about 2 or 3 batches. You don't want it too crowded in there, or it all just sticks together. Yeah, it's going to take a few minutes. We're going to come out, put it onto some kitchen towel. Like I say, don't crowd the pan too much, because they just all stick together. And because this fish is so light and quite small, it's going to cook in about 4 minutes or so only. And then, like I said, it's going to come out onto some kitchen paper just to drain the excess oil from it. So yeah, maybe 2 or 3 batches here. You can see already it's looking beautiful. Fabulous, lovely colour on those. So out they come, and I'll repeat. So I've got 2 tablespoons of oil in there. Again, I'm using a corn oil. We're going to use half a cup of sweet chili sauce, tablespoon or so of chopped or sliced fresh ginger, tablespoon garlic, and a handful of spring onions or green onions. We're going to start by dropping in the ginger. Then the garlic. And we're going to go just for maybe 2 minutes, get a little bit of colour on both of them. We're on a high heat, by the way. And then we add the fish. We're going to toss this around gently for 2 minutes. We're now going to add half a cup of sweet chili sauce. The green onions. 2 more minutes. And this is done. And there you go. That is so easy. It is super, super tasty. Fantastic with some rice if you want, or however you like. But that's it. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.